challenge. This one is a level 7. We're doing it in Python, and it's called Sum of Squares Less Than Some Number. So as always, there will be a link to the challenge in the show notes if you want to try it out before watching the video. I highly recommend that. That's the best way to learn, is by doing it on your own and making your own mistakes. And then when you're at your moment of exasperation, then come watch the video. As always, please like and subscribe. This helps keep me going and helps keep you informed. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to write a function, get number of squares, that will return how many integer numbers raised to the power of 2 and then summed up are less than some given number as a parameter. Okay, so for example, if the number given is 6, then the result is 2, because 1 squared plus 2 squared is 5, and 5 is less than 6, and that's where you would stop. Okay, example 2. If the n is 15, the result would be 3, because 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared is going to equal 14, and 14 is less than 15. But then anything over that is where you gotta stop. Okay, so this is one of those weird functions. They always make me nervous when we do this, but we're going to have a infinite loop. So while true, keep running, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have a total. We'll set that equal to 0 for now. I'll have an integer I. We'll start that off at, say, 0, or we'll have it at 1 here. No, let's do it at 0. And so let's do if, or we'll set total equal to I squared. So we're setting total equal to what it was before plus I squared. And then if the total is greater than or equal to n, let's return I, and then here we'll increment I. So at some point this loop is going to break, because you're given a finite number here, and we can kind of test this out and see. Okay, so here's the issue. The pattern here in the test, if you notice, I'm off by 1. So 1 should be 0, 2 should be 1, 2 should be 1, 3 should be 2, 4 should be 3. Okay, so here is my issue. Instead of turning I, clearly if I do I minus 1, this will fix that issue. So let's try that out. Okay, not bad. Let's do a full submission. All right, good enough for government work.